Home tips which will help you sell your home without breaking the bank. Shower curtains. Guys, if you walk into a bathroom that has a bathtub and a shower, and it doesn't have one of those glass doors, it's perfectly fine. You have two options. Either one, go with a nice brand new shower curtain that you can get like at HomeSense, or even go to IKEA, nice and easy, or don't have a shower curtain at all. The worst thing you can do is have one that keeps falling down, broken, or rusty. We just went to go see a $2.8 million home, and in one of the bathrooms, it had a rusted shower curtain. And the shower curtain was also dirty. It disgusted my clients. I'll be honest with you, it just kind of totally turned them off, and they're thinking to themselves, well, if they weren't even paying attention to this, which you can see, what's happening behind the walls, what other things are they not taking care of the home? So do yourself a favor. Again, if your shower curtain's dirty, or just old, it's rusted, just take it down completely and give that bathroom a nice clean. It'll show much better in pictures and on showings.